Ayubowan, my dear children. Welcome all of you to Ape Ganitha Pasala YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you Mathematics Grade 8 Fractions Part 2 Division of Fractions. Before doing division, we have to learn a new concept, reciprocal of a fraction. What is called as the reciprocal of a fraction? You know, in a fraction, there is a numerator and a denominator. The reciprocal of a fraction is obtained by interchanging its numerator and its denominator. The fraction is here 2/3. Numerator is 2. Denominator is 3. When we interchange that, numerator is 3, denominator is 2. Then the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Therefore, we can get the reciprocal of a fraction by interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Now, let's see how to get the reciprocal of a whole number. Here the whole number is 5. You know, below all the whole numbers, denominator 1 is there. Denominator 1 is there. 5 divided by 1 means 5. So 5 can be written in another way as 5/1. So numerator is 5, denominator is 1. If we interchange that, numerator become 1, denominator become 5. So reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Then you can notice that reciprocal of a whole number is a unit fraction. Reciprocal of 5 is 1/5. Then think reciprocal of 7, it is 1/7. Reciprocal of 8, 1/8. Like that. Reciprocal of a whole number is a unit fraction. Now there's a special thing you can notice a new thing when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, always you get answer as 1. When we multiply 2 by its reciprocal half, then you will get 2 multiplied by 1, 2, and divided that by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Reciprocal of 1/3 is 3. Then 1 multiplied by 3, 3. 3 divided by 3 means 1. Reciprocal of a whole number is a unit fraction. Reciprocal of a unit fraction is a whole number. So 7, reciprocal of 7 is 1/7. Then 7 multiplied by 1, 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Reciprocal of 2/5 is 5/2. Then 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 10 divided by 10 equal 1. Reciprocal of 3/10 is 8/3. 3 into 8, 24. 8 into 3, 24. 24 divided by 24 is 1. Then you can understand that when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, fraction into reciprocal, always answer is 1. The product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always give 1. Now let's see how to get the reciprocal of a mixed number. Why we introduce this as a mixed number? There's a whole number part and a fraction. So this is a mixed number, 2 and 3 or 5. How can you remember how to convert a mixed number into improper fraction? You have to multiply this whole number part with the denominator. 5 multiplied by 2. 5 multiplied by 2, 10, and add this numerator. 10 plus 3, 13. Then 13 of 5 is the improper fraction related to 2 and 3 or 5. So what is the reciprocal of that mixed number? Interchange the numerator 13 and denominator 5. Then reciprocal of 13 over 5 is 5 over 30. So what you have to do when you find in the reciprocal of a mixed number? First convert that into improper fraction. Then interchange numerator and the denominator. Now let's see how to divide the fraction by a whole number. Here there's a cake. We get half of that. Then you have to divide the cake into 2 equal parts. This is the half of the cake. Okay. After that, half divided into 2 equal parts. Half can be divided into 2 parts this way. Then you will get quarter of the cake, 1 over 4. Half divided by 2 is 1 over 4. Half divided by 2 is 1 over 4. Then we can do this for all the fractions. You can notice a certain rule. We can generalize a certain rule. What is the rule is, here the half of the cake divided into 2 parts and got the answer as 1 over 4. So half divided by 2 is 1 over 4. This is equal to half divided by 2 equal to half multiplied by reciprocal of 2. Half multiplied by reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 is 1 over 2. Then half divided by 2 is similar to half multiplied by its reciprocal, half. Then when you multiply, 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 2 multiplied by 2, 4. 1 over 4. You got the same answer like you obtained when you when you drawing the pictures related to that. Okay. Then diagrammatically also, using diagrams also, you got that answer 1 over 4. So this is, you have to use this rule. What is the rule? Division of fractions equal to multiplication of the fraction by its reciprocal. Division of fraction by a certain number is equal to the multiplication of that fraction by its reciprocal. This rule can be applied for mixed numbers, fractions, when whole numbers all are there. Then in the next exercises, we use this rule. Division of fraction by a certain number or fraction is equal to multiplying by its reciprocal. So you have to get the reciprocal of Left or right? Right hand side. Get the reciprocal of right hand side. Dividing a fraction by a number or otherwise fraction is same as multiplying the fraction by the reciprocal of that number or fraction. If the divisor or dividend is a mixed number, first what you have to do, mixed number should be converted into an improper fraction. And when you're doing fraction problems, you have to remember that keep the final answer in the simplest form. Always, if you can simplify the numerator and denominator, if the numerator and denominator are divisible by the same number, then you have to divide and simplify. And another thing you have to remember, if the answer is an improper fraction, you have to convert that improper fraction into a mixed number. I will tell you an important tip. When you simplify, I told you, you have to simplify the answer, keep the answer in the simplest form. So when you simplifying, you can cut the numerator with the denominator of the other fraction. You can cut the numerator of fraction with the denominator of the other fraction. You can understand this when we doing examples. Therefore, let's move to examples. Our first problem is 5 divided by 2 over 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 over 3? Interchange the numerator and the denominator. Then reciprocal is 3 over 2. 5 is a whole number. 5 can be written as 5 over 1. Now multiply numerators together and the denominators together. 5 multiplied by 3, 15. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. Then 15 over 2. This is an improper fraction. You have to convert that into a mixed number. How many 2's you can take for 15? You can take 7 2's. 2 into 7, 14. So you can take 7 2's. 7 and 7 into 2, 14. 1 remaining. Then answer is 7 and 1 over 2. 7 and 1 over 2. Look at the second problem. 1 over 3 divided by 2 over 5. Division sign can be converted into multiplication sign by getting the reciprocal of the right hand side. 2 over 5, interchange the numerator and denominator, then that becomes 5 over 2. Now multiply numerators together and the denominators together. 1 into 5, 5. 3 into 2, 6. Then answer is 5 over 6. The next one, mixed number is there. 1 and 1 over 3. So how to convert the mixed number into improper fraction? 3 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 plus numerator 1, then 4. 4 over 3. First convert mixed number into improper fraction. That is 4 over 3. Now we want to convert this division sign into a multiplication sign. Then to do that, we get the reciprocal of 4 over 5. Reciprocal of 4 over 5 is 5 over 4. Now, you can simplify this 4. I told you can divide numerator and denominator. So, you can cut this 4, numerator 4 and the denominator 4. When you cut that, only 5 remain in the numerator, only 3 remain in the denominator. Then 5 over 3. 5 over 3 can be converted into a mixed number because numerator is greater than the denominator. Now 1 3's are there for 5, then 1 and remainder 2, 1 and 2 over 3. Look at the fourth problem. In that one, there are two mixed numbers. What you have to do first is, first you have to convert both mixed numbers into improper fractions. How to convert into improper fractions? Multiply denominator with the whole number. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Then then improper fraction is 14 over 3. Other one, 7 multiplied by 1 is 7. 7 plus numerator 2, 9. 9 over 7. Now there's a division. You want to convert that division into a multiplication. Then interchange the numerator and denominator of the right hand side. So 9 over 7 becomes 7 over 9. Now check whether you can cut 3 and 7 numerator and denominator. You can't cut. 9 and 14 numerator and denominator. You can't cut. Therefore you can multiply. 14 multiplied by 7. Multiply 14 by 7 and write the answer. Answer is 98. Multiply 3 by 9, that is 27. Then this is an improper fraction. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Therefore, divide 98 by 27. You can get 3 27s for 98 and 3 27s equal 81. 81. Then 98 minus 81 is 17. The mixed number is 3 and 17 over. Denominator is same. What is the denominator in the improper fraction? In the improper fraction, denominator is 27. So in the mixed number also denominator same, 27. 3 and 17 over 27. Now let's move exercise problems. Look at the exercise 14.1. There are some empty cages. You have to fill that blanks. Fill in the blanks using correct values. When you fill in that blanks, you have to remember that. Can you remember when we multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, always answer was 1. You have to use that when you fill in these blanks. Here 3 over 4. What is the reciprocal of 3 over 4? 4 over 3. 3 over 4 into 4 over 3. Answer is 1. So blank should be 4. Then next one, 5 over 8. What is the reciprocal of 5 over 8? 8 over 5. Then blank cage should be 5. Reciprocal of a whole number is a unit fraction. So reciprocal of 7 is 1 over 7. 7 into 1 over 7 is 1. Look at the fourth one. 1 over 5. Reciprocal of a unit fraction is a whole number. Then 1 over 5 into 5 is 1. Blank should be 5. Then there's a mixed number. There's a mixed number 1 and 1 over 3. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Then that should be 4 over 3. But you can understand that from the reciprocal also. Reciprocal is 3 over 4. Then reciprocal of is 3 over 4 means fraction should be 4 over 3. Fraction should be 4 over 3. Then 4 over 3 into 3 over 4 is 1. Sixth one, 2 and 1 over 2. 2 and 1 over 2. Convert that into a mixed number, into an improper fraction. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2. Then 5 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 5 is 1. Then blanks you have to fill like I have filled in the given slide. Write down the reciprocal of each of the following numbers. What are the numbers given in the second one, Roman number 1? 6. 6 is the given number. You have to get the reciprocal. Reciprocal of a whole number is a unit fraction. So reciprocal of 6 is 1 over 6. Roman number 2, 1 over 9. 1 over 9. Reciprocal of a unit fraction is a whole number. 1 over 9 can be written as 9 over 1. That means you can write that as 9. Next one, Roman number 3, 5 over 7. What is the reciprocal of 5 over 7? Interchange numerator and denominator. Then reciprocal of 5 over 7 is 7 over 5. 8 over 3. Reciprocal of 8 over 3. Roman number 4. 3 over 8. Reciprocal of 1. In 1, numerator and denominator is 1. 1 can be written as 1 over 1. So when you interchange the numerator and denominator also, you will get 1 over 1. That means 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Roman number 6. 3 and 1 over 3. Convert that mixed number into an improper fractions. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 over 3. Then reciprocal is 3 over 10. Next one, 2 and 3 over 5. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 over 5. Interchange numerator and denominator. Then reciprocal is 5 over 13. Eighth one, 1 and 5 over 9. 9 multiplied by 1, 9. That answer plus 5. That means 9 plus 5, 14. 14 over 9. Reciprocal 9 over 14. Then reciprocal is 9 over 14. Then let's move to next exercise. Find the values of each of the following. Half divided by 4. Half divided by 4. In the right hand side, whole number is there in this exercise. You know, in whole numbers, reciprocal is always a unit fraction. When you convert in division into a multiplication, always get the reciprocal of right hand side, not in the left hand side. Remember that. Then 1 over 5 divided by 4 can be written as 4 over 1. In all the whole numbers, denominator is 1. So, there's 1 in the denominator. So, 4 over 1 can be written as 1 over 4. Division sign converted into multiplication. Now multiply numerators together. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 4, 20. The answer is 1 over 20. Next one, 3 over 4 divided by 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? Unit fraction. 1 over 2. You can get that as 2 is 2 means 2 over 1. 2 means 2 over 1. Interchange that. Then 1 over 2. Then division sign become a multiplication sign. Now multiply numerators together and denominators together. 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Next one, 5 over 7 divided by 3. 3 is a whole number, reciprocal should be 1 over 3. You can write 3 as 3 over 1, then interchange, that is 1 over 3. And division sign converted into multiplication. Then 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 7 multiplied by 3, 21. 5 over 21. Next one, 9 over 10 divided by 5 over 1. Reciprocal of 5, now you know unit fraction, that is 1 over 5. You can write that as 5 means 5 over 1. Interchange, that is 1 over 5. Division sign become multiplication sign. Now multiply numerators together and denominators together. 9 into 1, 9. 10 into 5, 50. 9 over 50. Exercise 14.3. Find the value of each of the following. In this exercise, whole number is in the left hand side, fraction is in the right hand side. But when you dividing, always get the reciprocal of the right hand side. Then 3 divided by 1 over 4. 3 divided by 1 over 4. 3 can be written as 3 over 1. Denominator 1 is there in all the whole numbers. 1 over 4 can be converted into multiplication by getting reciprocal. 4 over 1. 3 into 4 is 12. 1 into 1 is 1. But no meaning writing 1 in the denominator. So you can keep the answer as 12. Keep the answer as 12. Here this one. 2 divided by 2 over 5. 2 can be written as 2 over 1. 2 over 5, reciprocal of 2 over 5 is 5 over 2. Now can you remember I told you you can simplify numerator of one fraction with the denominator of the other fraction if they are divisible by the same number. Like a cross you can cut. 2 can be divided by 2, that is 1. This denominator 2 can be divided by 2, that is 1. Then here you got 1, here you have 5. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. What is the denominator? 1 into 1. Denominator is 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1. No meaning writing denominator 1 in the answer. So you can keep the answer as 5. 4 divided by 1 over 2. 4 is 4 over 1. 4 is similar to 4 over 1. Division can be converted into a multiplication by getting reciprocal. 1 over 2, reciprocal is 2 over 1. 4 into 2, 8. 1 into 1, 1. 8 over 1, no need to write 1. Therefore, answer is 8. Remember that you don't need to write denominator 1. But in a fraction, if you have numerator 1, you have to write that. Denominator 1 means dividing by 1. 8 divided by 1 means 8. That is why we don't write that 1 in the denominator. But if you have the numerator 1, you have to write that. 15 divided by 3 over 5. 15 over 1. 3 over 5. Division can be converted into multiplication by writing by interchanging the numerator and denominator, that is 5 over 3. Now check whether you can cut like a cross numerator and denominator. Then here 3 and 15 are divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 15 divided by 3. 3 into 5, 15. Therefore 5. Now multiply. 5 multiply by 5. 5 into 5, 25. 1 multiply by 1, 1. 25 over 1. So no need to write denominator 1. Answer is 25. Look at the exercise 14.4. In that exercise, both are fractions. Both are fractions. Like previous questions, get the reciprocal of the right hand side. Then you can convert into a multiplication. 3 over 8 multiply by 3 over 4 reciprocal 4 over 3. Now check whether you can cut like a cross. You can cut here. 3 and 3 divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. 8 and 4 are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 8 divided by 4, 2. Now multiply numerators together and denominators together. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. So 1 over 2. Here you have to write the numerator 1 because numerator 1 you have to write. Denominator 1 you don't have to write like in this one. Denominator 1 means 10 divided by 1 means 10. Same. That is why we don't write that. But here you have to write. Roman number 2. 15 over 16 divided by 3 over 4. That is similar to 15 over 16 multiplied by 4 over 3. Okay. Now check whether you can cut. I have marked in red color the denominator and numerator can be simplified. Both can be divided by 3. 3 divided by 3, 1. 15 divided by 3, 5. Can you see this blue color one? I have cut using blue color. Both can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 4, 1. 16 divided by 4, 4. After simplifying numerators and denominator, then next step is multiplying numerators together and multiplying denominators together. So 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. 5 over 4. This answer is an improper fraction. You can't keep the answer that way. Convert that into a mixed number. You can take 1 from 5, then 1 and 1 over 4. Check whether your answer is correct or wrong. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 4. So your answer, your mixed number is correct. Next one. 15 or 28 divided by 3 over 7. Get the reciprocal of the right hand side. 3 over 7 can be dividing 3 over 7 can be written as multiplying 7 over 3. Now using red color I have marked the denominator and numerator which you can simplify. 3 divided by 3, 1. 15 divided by 3, 5. 7 divided by 7 and 28 are divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 28 divided by 7, 4. Now multiply numerators together and denominators together. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 5 over 4. Improper fraction, like previous one, you can convert into a mixed number, that is 1 and 1 over 4. From number 4. 10 over 11 divided by 1 over 11. Division, convert into a multiplication. Get the reciprocal of right hand side. 11 over 1. Now check whether you can cut whether you can cut like a cross. Numerator and denominator divisible by the same number. 11 and 11, 1 11, here also 1 11. 11 divided by 11 11. Then in the numerator 10 is there. 10 into 1 10. 1 into 1 1. 10 over 1. No need to write 1 in the denominator. Then answer is 10. Let's see the next part of the exercise 14.4. After doing exercises, you can check your answers. 6 over 7 divided by 3 over 7. 6 over 7 can be written as multiplying by 7 over 3. Interchanging the numerator and denominator. Now, using blue color I have marked, you can cut that denominator 3 with the numerator 6. 3 divided by 3 1. 6 divided by 3 2. Using red color I have marked 7 can be cut with 7. 7 divided by 7 1. 7 divided by 7 1. 2 multiplied by 1 2. 1 into 1 1. No need to write denominator 1. So answer is 2. Roman number 6. 12 over 7 divided by 3 over 7. 3 over 7, interchange the numerator and denominator, and that is equal to 7 over 3. Multiplying by 7 over 3. Try to simplify in this step. Then it will be easy to get the answer. You can cut like a cross numerators and denominators. 3 divided by 3, 1. 12 divided by 3, 3 into what? 12. 3 into 4, 12. Therefore 4. 7 and 7 can be simplified. Then now we have simplified all the numerators and denominators. Then after that you have to multiply. 4 multiplied by 1, 4. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 4 over 1. So 4, 1 can be written as 4. Next one. 4 over 5 divided by 8 over 9. 4 over 5, division can be converted into multiplication. So multiplication 8 over 9, reciprocal 9 over 8. Denominator 8 and numerator 4 can be divisible by 4, 1 and 2. So 1 multiplied by 9, 9. 5 multiplied by 2, 10. 9 over 10. Eighth one. 7 over 8 divided by 7 over 10. Similar, that is same as multiplication by the reciprocal multiplied by 10 over 7. Now 7 in numerator and denominator. So you can cut that. 7 divided by 7 1. 7 divided by 7 1. 8 and 10 also divisible by the same number. 10 divided by 2 5. 8 divided by 2 4. Now multiply. 1 into 5 5. 4 into 1 4. 5 over 4. 5 over 4 improper fraction. That is the equivalent mixed number is 1 and 1 over 4. Ninth one, 3 over 8 divided by 2 over 5. 3 over 8 divided by 2 over 5 means 3 over 8 multiplied by 5 over 2. Reciprocal. Now, here you can't cut any numerator with denominator. 3 and 2 not divisible. 5 and 8 also not divisible by the same number. Therefore, just you have to multiply. 3 into 5, 15. 8 into 2, 16. 15 over 16 is the answer. Next one. 2 over 3 divided by 5 over 7. 2 over 3 multiplied by interchange numerator and denominator. 5 over 7 reciprocal of 5 over 7, 7 over 5. In this fraction also numerator and denominator not divisible by the same number. In that type of problems you can multiply numerators together. 2 into 7, 14. 3 into 5, 15. 14 over 15. Now let's move to exercise 14.5. With the exercises and check your answers. Find the value of each of the following. 3 divided by 1 and 1 over 2. Here you have to divide by a mixed number. You have to divide a certain number by a mixed number. So first what you have to do is first convert the mixed number into improper fraction. Then first step, 2 multiplied by 1. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. 2 and 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2. So after converting the mixed number into an improper fraction, get the reciprocal and multiply. Then 3 can be written as 3 over 1. 3 over 1 multiplied by reciprocal. Reciprocal of 3 over 2 is 2 over 3. Now you can see you can cut numerator and denominator, n and d. You can cut n and d, numerator and denominator. 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. Then let's multiply 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. 2 over 1. Then the answer is 2. Next one. Convert the mixed number into improper fraction. 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 8. Interchange. 9 over 8 become 8 over 9 when you are writing that as a multiplication. Now check whether they are divisible by the same number or not. 7 and 9 not divisible. 1 and 8 not divisible. Then multiply 7 into 9, 7 into 8, 56. 1 into 9, 9. 56, how many 9s for 56? 9 into 6, 54. 9 into 6, 54. So you can take 6 here and 54. Then here the number is 56. Remainder 2. 6 and 2 over 9. Next one. 15 divided by 1 and 1 over 4. 15 is a whole number. In all whole numbers, denominator 1 is there, so write as 15 over 1. Convert this into improper fraction. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 4. Interchange. 5 over 4, 4 over 5. Division become multiplication. Now check the numbers which are divisible. 15 and here 15 and 5 divisible by 5. 15 and 5 divisible by 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5, 3. Then multiply. 3 into 4, 12. 1 into 1, 1. 12 over 1 means 12. Next one. 18 divided by 1 and 2 over 25. Convert 1 and 2 over 25 into improper fraction. 25 into 1, 25. 25 plus 2, 27. 27 over 25. Now interchange. 25 over 27. Now check whether which are the common divisors. 18 and 27 divisible by 9. 9 into 2, 18. 9 into 3, 27. Now multiply. 2 into 25, 50. 1 into 3, 3. 50 over 3. An improper fraction, 50 can be divided by 3. Divide 50 by 3. When you divide 50 by 3, you will get the answer 16. And remainder is 2. So answer is 16 and 2 over 3. 16 and 2 over 3. Next one, Roman number 5 of the exercise 14.5. 1 and 1 over 2 divide by 3. 2 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 1. 3 is a whole number, then denominator is 1. Now interchange and get the reciprocal 1 over 3. 3 and 3 divisible. So 3 divided by 3, 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. Now multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 1, 2. 1 over 2. This one, convert 1 and 2 over 5 into improper. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 over 5. Divided by 14 over 1. 14 can be written as 14 over 1. Now get the reciprocal. 1 over 14. 7 and 14 divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 14 divided by 7, 2. After simplifying numerators and denominators, just multiply numerators together and denominators together. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 2, 10. Next one. 3 and 2 over 3 divided by 22. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 over 3. Divided by 22 over 1. 22 means 22 over 1. Get the reciprocal. 1 over 22. 11 and 22 are divisible by the same number. How many 11s for 22? 2 11s. So for 11, 1 11. For 22, 2 11s. Now multiply. 1 into 1, 1. 5 into 2, 10. 1 over 10. Next one. 5 and 5 over 6. 6 into 5, 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 over 6. 21 means 21 over 1. Reciprocal is 1 over 22. Multiply by 1 over 22. Divide, simplify numerator and denominator. 35 and 21 are divisible by, check whether 35 and 21 are divisible by any common number. They are divisible by 7. 7. 7 into 3, 21. 7 into 5, 35. Okay, that's only 6 and 1 you can't simplify. 5 multiplied by 1, 5. 6 multiplied by 1, 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 5 over 18. Now in that exercise, sentence type problems are there. Let's see them. Hasim has packed 10 kilograms of. Now let's see the sentence type problem given here. Hasim has packed 10 kilograms of sweetmeats into packets containing 1 and 1 over 4 kilograms each. Find the number of packets that he has made. Here think in this box there are 10 kilograms of sweetmeats. 10 kilograms. You want to put that into small packets. In one packet there are 1 and 1 over 4 kilograms of sweetmeats. So you have to think using 10 kilograms, how many packets you can make. 1 and 1/4 kilograms in small packets. So you have to divide 10 by 1 and 1/4. 10 divided by 1 and 1/4. I directly wrote 1 and 1/4 as an improper fraction. So 10 can be written as 10/1. 1 and 1/4 means 4 into 1, 4, 4 and 1, 5, 5/4. This is a division problem. Therefore, you can convert into a multiplication by getting the reciprocal of right hand side. 5/4, 4/5. After that step, check the common numbers which you can divide numerators and denominators. 10 divided by 5, 2. 5 divided by 5, 1. Now multiply. 2 into 4, 8. 1 into 1, 1. 8/1 means 8. Next problem. A truck can transport 3.5 cubes of soil at a time. What is the minimum number of trips that needs to be made to transport 28 cubes of soil? At one time, a truck can transport only 3.5 cubes. 3.5 cubes. But need to transport 28 cubes. Within one time, 3.5 can be transported. Then to transport 28 cubes, we have to count the number of steps. So you have to divide 28 by 3.5. 28 divided by 3.5. 28 can be written as 28/1. 3.5. 2 into 3, 6. 6 and 1, 7. 7/2. Get the reciprocal of 7/2 and multiply. Multiply by 2/7. 7 and 28 are divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 28 divided by 7, 4. Now multiply numerators together. 4 into 2, 8. 1 into 1, 1. 8/1. Answer is 8. In this problem also, in both 3 and 4, answer is 8. The next problem, fifth one. Chalani needs to cut 21 meters of fabric into 1 and 3/4 meters of pieces. How many such pieces can Chalani cut from this fabric? The bigger part is the bigger piece is 21 meters that she want to cut into small pieces. One small piece is 1 and 3/4. So you have to divide 21 by 1 and 3/4. 21 divided by 1 and 3/4. 21 means 21/1. 1 and 3/4. 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7/4. This is a division problem. Want to convert into a multiplication. Get the reciprocal of right hand side. 7/4 become 4/7. Now 21 and 7 are divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 21 divided by 7, 3. 3 multiplied by 4, 12. 1 into 1, 1. 12/1, that is 12. Next problem. The volume of 31.5 liters of paint in a barrel was poured equally into 7 containers. Find the amount of paint in each container. 31.5 liters are there. 31.5 liters are there. There are 7 containers. Pour into 7 containers. So when we put 31.5 liters into 7 containers, you have to find the amount of paint in each container. So you have to divide 31.5 by 7, because 31.5 put into 7 containers, 7 small containers. So divide 31.5 by 7. This is a mixed number. 2 multiplied by 31. First multiply 31 by 2. That is 62. 62 plus 1. 63. 63 over 2. Divided by 7 means 7 over 1. 63 over 2. Division become multiplication. 7 over 1. 1 over 7. Now 7 and 63 divisible by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. 63 divided by 7. 7 into 9, 63. Therefore 9. 1 and 2 not divisible by the same number. So keep that. 9 into 1, 9. 2 into 1, 2. 9 over 2. How many 2's for 9? 2 into 4, 8. So 4. 4. 2 into 4, 8. Remainder 1. 4 and 1 over 2. Exercise 14.6. In that exercise, both numbers are mixed numbers. Both numbers are mixed numbers. First, what you have to do is convert both numbers into improper fractions. After that, get the reciprocal of the right hand side and simplify. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 4. 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 over 3. Get the reciprocal and multiply. 8 over 3 become 3 over 8. Now cut like a cross. 8 and 9 not divisible. 4 and 3 not divisible. So you can't simplify numerators and denominators. So multiply. 9 into 3, 27. 4 into 8, 32. So answer is 27 over 32. Next one. Both are mixed numbers. 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 7, 63. 63 over 8. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 2. Get the reciprocal. 2 over 7. Now simplify. 7 and 63. 7 into 1, 7 into 9. Divide by 2. 2 into 1, 2 into 4. Now multiply. 9 into 1, 9. 4 into 1, 4. 9 over 4. Denominator is 4. You can take 2 4s. 4 into 2. 4 into 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 and 1, 9. So 2 and 1 over 4. 2 and 1 over 4. Next one. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 33 over 5. 7 into 4, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 over 7. Interchange. 7 over 33. Division become multiplication. 33, 33. Both are divisible. Both are same. Divide. Then 33 divided by 33, 1. Here also 1. 7 and 5 not divisible. Now simplify. 1 into 7, 7. 5 into 1, 5. 7 over 5. Improper. Then convert into mixed number. Let's look at the third problem. 6 and 3 over 5. 5 into 6, 30. 30 plus 3, 33. 33 over 5. 7 into 4, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. 33 over 7. Interchange. 7 over 33. Multiplication, division become multiplication. 33 and 33 are divisible by 33. Now multiply. 1 into 7, 7. 5 into 1, 5. 7 over 5 equal to 1 and 2 over 5. Roman number 4. 7 and 5 over 8. 8 into 7, 56. 56 plus 5, 61. 61 over 8. 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 5, 68. 61. 7 into 8, 56. 56 plus 5, 61. 61 over 7. Interchange numerator and denominator. 7 over 61. Division become a multiplication. 61 numerator denominator can be simplified. 7 and 8 not divisible. So multiply. 1 into 7, 7. 8 into 1, 8. 7 over 8. Next one. 2 into 11, 22. 22 plus 1, 23. 23 over 2. Division sign. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 over 4. Interchange numerator and denominator. 4 over 11. 2 and 4 divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 4 divided by 2, 2. 11 and 23 not divisible. 23 multiplied by 2, that is 46. 1 multiplied by 11, 11. For 46, you can get 4 11s. 11 into 4, 44. So, remainder is 2. Check whether your answer is correct or wrong. 11 into 4, 44. 44 plus 2, 46. So, answer is correct. 46 over 11. Answer is 4 and 2 over 11. Next one. 5 and 1 over 3 divided by 2 and 1 over 2. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 over 3. 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 over 2. Interchange. So 2 over 5. Check whether you can divide or not. You can't divide here. Then multiply. 2 multiplied by 16. 2 into 16, 32. 3 into 5, 15. Improper fraction. So, convert into a mixed number. 2 15s, 30. 30. 30 plus 2, 32. Say then 2 and 2 over 15. 2 and 2 over 15. Because 15 into 2, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 over 15 equal to 2 and 2 over 15. Next problem of that exercise. Fabric of length 2 and 1/4 is required to sew a dress. What is the maximum number of such dresses that can be sewn from 56 and 1/4 meters of that fabric? The bigger part is 56 and 1/4. That should be divided into small parts. The length of a small part is 2 and 1/4. So divide 56 and 1 over 4 by 2 and 1 over 4. Convert that into improper fraction. You can take a piece of paper and multiply. 56 multiplied by 4. You will get, when you multiply 56 by 4, 224. After that, don't forget to add the numerator. 224 plus 1, 225. 225 over 4. Division sign. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 over 4. Now still this is a division. You can't cut if that is a division. Can you cut if, division problem? You can't cut division problem. If you want to cut the numerator and denominator, then you have to convert into a multiplication problem. Division convert into multiplication by getting the reciprocal of the right hand side. 9 over 4, 4 over 9. Now you can simplify. This is like multiplication of fractions. Previous unit. That is similar to previous unit now. 9 divided by 9, 1. 225, take a piece of paper and divide. When you divide, you can see that when you divide 225, your answer will be 25. 25. 225 divided by 9. Then answer is 25. I have marked using blue color. This numerator and denominator can be simplified. 4 divided by 4, 1. 4 divided by 4, 1. After simplifying numerators and denominators, you have to multiply. 25 into 1, 25. 1 into 1, 1. 25 over 1. Answer is 25. Third problem. The distance between two cities is 57.5 kilometers. The distance is 57.5 kilometers. Therefore, within 1 hour, van spend 1 and 9 over 16 hours to travel from one city to another. So, you want to find the distance traveled within 1 hour. To travel 57.5 kilometers, it takes 1 and 9 over 16 hours. So, divide 57.5 by 1 and 9 over 16. Both are mixed numbers. 57 multiplied by 2. 57 multiplied by 2, that is 140. And add this one. Then 115. 115 over 2. Divided by 16 into 1, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 over 16. Now this is a division problem. Convert into multiplication by interchanging the numerator and denominator. 16 over 25. 16 over 25. 115 over 2. When you divide 25 by 5, 5. 115 divided by 5, 23. 2 and 16 are divisible by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 16 divided by 2, 8. Now multiply 23 with 8. 184. 1 into 5, 5. Improper fraction. Using long division method, you can divide. Divide and check whether what is the answer. Put the answer to here. Put the remainder to numerator. Denominator is same. You will get the answer 36 when you divide 184 by 5. 36. Remainder should be 4. So answer is 36 and 4 over 5. Fourth problem. Among how many families can 148 half kilograms of rice distributed so that each family gets 8 and 1/4 kilograms of rice? There are 148.5 kilograms. One family receive 8 and 1/4 kilograms of rice. So, among how many families we can distribute? The bigger quantity you have to divide by smaller one. 148.5 divided by the 8 and 1/4. 2 into 148, 296. 296 plus this numerator one, then 297. 297 over 2. Divided by 4 into 8, 32. 32 plus 1, 33. 33 over 4. Division, convert into multiplication, interchange numerator and denominator. 4 over 33. You will notice that you can divide 33 with 297. 33 divided by 297. 33 and 297 divided by 33. 33 divided by 33 1. 297 divided by 33, that is 9. Otherwise, if you can't directly divide by 33, you can check whether you can divide by 3. First divide 33 and 297 by 3. After that divide 33 and 297 by 11. That is also correct. You will get the same answer when you using that method also. 9 into 2, 18. 1 into 1, 1. So 18 or 1 means 18. Answer is 18. Okay, you can do the exercises and check your answers with these answers. If there are any difficult things to understand, you can put that in the comment box. Thank you.